Hi and welcome to my 2-minute tips for the best life. I'm Coach Marta. In this video, I'll talk you through how to get the most out of your mental fitness program or any other program you might be in. Benefits of being part of a group in coaching are massive, but only if we actually take advantage of them. It is entirely on you how much you'll gain, and it is dependent on how you show up to the group. Here are some ways to show up powerfully. 1, most important thing, be vulnerable. Talk about your struggles. Talk about your experience. Mention your feelings. It's uncomfortable and not natural in the beginning. This is the whole point. The group is your opportunity to do this safely so that you can then take it beyond the group into the real world. There will be a moment where you feel like, no way, I'm going to share this thing. This is too much. And I invite you to push past that only if 10%, just a little bit. It will give you so much freedom and so much support. Vulnerability is the currency of intimacy. The more vulnerable you are, the more connected you will get, the more you'll learn, the more you will get out of the program. Listen carefully and without judgment. When you feel judgment for others, see how that judgment applies to you. This is our opportunity to see where and how you constantly scrutinize yourself. 3, give people feedback on how what they share impacted you. When you acknowledge their wins and struggles, they feel seen and they want to be more generous with sharing themselves. 4, refrain from giving advice. The more burning the desire to give advice is, the less helpful it probably is. Instead, share how you dealt with something similar in your life, what worked for you. 5, participate daily, only if for a very few minutes. Reflect, read, and respond to others' comments and posts. It helps them not feel alone with their struggles. 6, when you find yourself thinking skeptical thoughts, really examine them. Is it because you're trying to get out of doing the work? Are you avoiding it? Gently add some more enthusiastic thoughts to the mix and see what changes. It's experiential. See what changes for you. 7, when conflict or misunderstanding happens in the group, great. It's our opportunity to see how you respond to conflict and how you can develop coping strategies that serve you better. Group work gives us a huge opportunity to transform our relationships in general. I really look forward to what we can create together and how much we can all transform selves, and through selves, the group and others, and see how that influences the world around us. Buckle up. I'll see you on the inside.